So lesson 5 of Unit 1 is titled Iron Trails to Adventure. I love that title. Makes me want to read it for sure. On the first page, you're asked what you know about the Yukon. So you'll want to make a KWL chart. That's what you know, what you want to know, and then afterwards you'll be able to fill in what you've learned. Here you're going to be watching a Heritage Minute to set the tone and build your knowledge of the Klondike Gold Rush. And you're also asked to refer to the Before Strategies charts from the course introduction. Now hopefully you have those strategies charts printed off and put in the front of your reading section of your binder. Then you're asked some questions. How well you listened and viewed the video. And this isn't formally assessed, but see if you can answer all these, and then if you can't, again, there are answers at the end of the lesson. Again, we have this sheet on how to read an article because that's what Iron Trails to Adventure is. Then you're going to be asked to do some critical thinking. Again, to fill in your KWL chart about what you learned. You're going to be writing an explanatory paragraph about what you learned, and you'll want to use your resource lines text again to help you with this. And then you've got your assessment and some differentiating activities where you might want to write letters or make a treasure map. To extend your learning, you could do some little bit of research or an activity on the media and searching news reports. Here you'll find the answers to the viewing activity in the Heritage Minutes. And then your self-evaluation for the KWL sheet. Again, with these evaluations, you may want to print them off and put them in your portfolio or have a special section of your binder for the assessments. And you would want to label well, this one has a label on it, but if it doesn't, and you want to use this a second time for a different lesson, you would label it then. Here's your rubric for the expository writing. Expository is different than the narrative that you did in the other lesson. Expository is explaining something. It's more informational. And then your checklist of activities with the optional ones cited there, and of course your goal setting. So now you're all set for your Iron Trail to Adventure. Enjoy the lesson.